Hello community, so great that you're back. We have the new Qwen3 update now, this thinking model. Yes, you know I have the same causal reasoning test. I test Qwen4, I tested Sonnet 4 thinking, OpenAI O3, I tested Gemini 2.5 Pro, all the same test. In these videos you see exactly the performance, and here you have the best of the best. It is about the shortest sequence length for causal reasoning problem, and you have here a Sonnet 4 took 11 steps, OpenAI O3 took 9 steps and failed on the code implementation. Gemini 2.5 Pro did in the linguistic solution without code 10 steps and were able to find an 8-step solution with code. And now is the question, what about the new thinking model for a causal reasoning problem? And yes, let's go for the latest Qwen3 with this beautiful thinking feature. Yes, we go here to our new Qwen3 235B. You know, it's a mixture of expert model. Here we have active 22 billion. This is 2025 month 07. Beautiful. And if we go there, no, we're not in the coda. Most powerful mixture of expert model. Yes, this is it, what we're gonna change. And now, you know, we were thinking, we were missing this thinking model. Is this now the thinking model? Active. Yeah, we go with the full 81,920 tokens here. Maximum length of thinking. Is it thinking? You know what? We're just gonna try it out. I have no idea if this is it, what we are looking for. Okay, this is my standard causal logic test, and we just go for it. It is thinking. Yes, it is thinking. Let me tackle this. Start at the floor. Yes. Key constraints, special floor triggers. Landing there, yes, I understand. No mention of the yellow code acquisition. So to get 2 codes. So it's trying to understand my human instruction. Hey, it found there's emergency exit at 29 to require the red and the green code card. As there's a mirror mode, there's a night mode, there's an asymmetric mode. So there's a lot of options that the AI can choose from. So what it's doing now, it's doing the first button presses. This was not a lot of strategic and planning. This was just an understanding and just going and try here to find here a solution. Okay, red code sequence. You are here live with me. I read it here, what I can read. You are here 1-to-1. This is the first run. You see, button press is beautiful. From floor 18. Yeah, there's a penalty. Yes, I know it's not as easy because this is about logic. But you see, it is thinking. Because I guess these are the thinking traces. And then in boldface, we will get the answer back from the system. So we're here original with Qwen on their server. So I think this is the best available installation application we can find. It's not running on any of my local machine. This is here directly from the creator of this model. This is messy. Better avoid floor 25 altogether. Okay, it's trying out. It's backtracking here. This is critical. There's not defined inversion. I'll make a reasonable assumption. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. If mirror mode is activated, if night shift mode is activated. So it's going through all the variation that I have, the permutation. We are not yet here at anti-symmetry, but no problem. Let's give it a little bit of time. I think we're already 1 or 2 minutes into this thinking process here. Okay, APC, my energy packages here. Yeah, there's a certain limitation on how many energy packages you can use up before you run out of battery, of energy. Land on 27. No, too high. Not helpful. Oh, no, not alternative path to 29. Okay. Need more energy gains. But we want to use emergency exit here. This is absolutely correct. Yes. Mirror model inverts now the direction. Okay, we are now working here with mirror modes. Yes, okay, we are now going through all of the possible permutations here. Okay. Start with the token, alternative sources. Yeah, wherever you are, in whichever floor, there are different ways forward. It's on every floor you have a multitude of options and only one is a valid one. Inverted moves, okay, this is tricky. Oh yeah, I know it's tricky. Perhaps a better strategy, reach 33 first. Now we have 2 code cards. This is great. 3 code cards, this is too much, but never mind. Okay, yes, better not. Not helpful. Down to 16, not good. Down to 15, not helpful. This is too ambitious. Given the time, okay. The rule said if landing to avoid this. You are live with me here. You see here the sorts of the new Qwen3 235B 822B, the latest update 2025-07. And this here is, as you can see, the reasoning tracer. So this here is the large reasoning model. Also, if you think about the active 22 billion free trainable parameter, this is not really large. It's about medium, ne? On the lower side. Mirror mode, this is bad. No, okay, we have another option. Done. That could be the intended behavior. Okay. 13 presses. Oh, that's too much. That's too much, my little one. So reasonable. Perfect. No forbidden moves. It looks like we're coming closer. Yes. Oh, this violates the rules. Available buttons are now, but in mirror mode, the behavior is inverted. Absolutely correct. So I cannot use it. Disable this. Oh, still disabled. Yes, I'm sorry. It's a little bit more challenging. So you see, the system is thinking. AI is really trying out all the possible power forward. But the higher it goes, the more here the spectrum opens up, no? Especially here in mirror mode. Yes, sequence. Okay. Looks like the AI is happy. Maybe it found something. Well, let's see, button D normally, not helpful. Okay, not good. Slow. Oh, no. Yeah, it's not an easy topic. Not good. I think we're already 5 or 7 minutes in and still fighting here. This is not working. I like it that I can see the real reasoning traces. This is gorgeous. Every model should be transparent here in its own causal reasoning. And I hate it if you have proprietary models that just give you blank screen. They're afraid to show you here the internal reasoning sequences. Qwen3, thank you for providing us here a transparent look here at the inner workings if you want. Because I get a lot of information about a model if I just look at it. Bad. Bad is not good. Oh, we hit here the threshold. No, continue. Not enough. Oh yeah, I know it's a trigger problem. Has it found any solution yet? I have blue code, red code, green code. Emergency exit is not feasible. Oh, this would be a mistake. Okay, and grant, line on 39. It's still trying to move up to floor 50 here. Press 7. Yeah, it's looking back at the rules. Trying to find solution. Everything is blocked. The AI is thinking, where the hell? No, the AI is not thinking. AI is just a pattern machine. Floor state. All goals satisfied. Check if any rules are violated. What? Are we close to a solution? Perfect. Now the sequence is valid and optimal. Honestly? Okay, with the layout we do have some formatting problems, but never mind. I'm generous today. Final state. All constraints satisfied. Proof of optimality. Wow. Here we are. We have a sequence. 12 presses. Oh, now we have a nice layout. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, wow, everything is there that I wanted to see. Yeah. Button press 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I did not find here the shortcuts, but at least it found here a proof. So it just let it run through, and then we have a detailed look at the official answer. Since we spent here, I guess, 8 to 10 minutes just looking at the reasoning traces. Oh, it's giving here some detailed information. This will be very interesting. Conclusion, this is Pareto optimal. We know this is not true, but never mind. For the very first run here, I have to tell you, okay, it's a real 22B model. Wait, where does it start? Here. Button press sequence is, yes, go away, 12 presses. It has the, oh, it's missing a lot of this internal shortcuts. You know from other videos that an ABC linear sequence would open up here some shortcuts. No, I did not found this. Okay, but it gives me here the output in the format I would like to see. So we have a total presses of 12. We have a lot of energy left. We have all the tokens that we need. Beautiful. Blue and green coconuts meet the requirement. Yeah. Trap hits 0. Flags all off. Never activated. It found the correct solution. Why the sequence is Pareto optimal? This is incorrect, but for its current understanding, 12 is the best solution. Gives me here a lot of reasoning. Yeah, unfortunately, it did not really found the deeper solutions, but okay. I mean, for a 22B model, not bad. No forbidden moves, this is correct. Why shorter sequences fail? Now it's getting interesting. Impossible to collect 2 codes and reach 50. No, it is not, my little one. Emergency exit, yeah, this would have been here one of the better solution, but yeah, reaching this, therefore, and higher resources. Our sequence. Now, this is unfortunately not correct, but it found that there is this possibility, but evaluating this possibility, the system failed. Higher scoring sequences do not exist. I'm not talking about highest scoring sequences. I'm talking here Pareto optimal, the shortest run. So this is incorrect. The sequence is Pareto optimal. No solution exists with fewer presses, high APC, high tokens, more codes, or fewer traps. Final verification. Great. Okay. And you know what we're going to say, yeah? You know exactly what we're going to say. We're going to say, it is thinking. Yeah, I want to see what it is thinking. Yeah. Press 3, press 4, press 5, press 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait. However, what? There was something. We have to go back. There was something I'm not happy with. We never toggled this. Okay, it found other ideas that it would like to try out. Okay. So is there a sequence with fewer than 12 presses? This is not the question, yeah? Invalid. Green code. So just trying to run the validation, it got new ideas. This is a cross learning if you want. Okay, let's have a look. Mirror mode. Activate it. Do not activate it. Can we get to the floor 50 faster? Okay. Is there a button goes up more than 3 floors? Yes, of course there is. You just have to find a solution. Okay, so it's stopped with the validation. It discovered during the validation run other options, and it is now examining other options. Okay, this is not according to what I give my instruction, but okay, it's trying to find a better solution, so therefore, let's accept this. 7 presses. So avoid mirror mode. This is the best jump. Energy packages, code cards. We land on 50. If you land on 51, this is not. Okay, landing on 63. Oh no. Oh no, don't do this. Don't go this route. Building is limited to 50 floors. There are not 63 floors that you can fall back with gravity from floor 63 to floor 50. This is not how elevators work. So, need to go up 42 floors. Gee, it started really all over again. Okay. Okay, let's give it the option. Let's give it here the try. Why not? Everybody gets a second chance. The first one with 12 was quite okay. But if it thinks it can find here a better solution, it's really trying here quite a lot of variations. But it still has not found here the real important solutions. They are covered here deep, deep, deep into complexities. Of course, it's not an easy puzzle. I wanted to make it a little bit challenging for you, eh? Waiting for GPT-5 to be released. Okay, worse? No. Can we go back? No. If we can avoid that cost, yes, I know. To get above 20 first, for example. No, so we are back to the drawing board. We are back to the drawing board. We are here in the reasoning. Looks great. Those are 100% reasoning traces. Okay. For instance, okay. Worse. So no gain. Okay. Failure. No problem. Start again. I mean, you have to admire here. No? The system is trying here all the variation. A human would have said, okay, I have to have a break. No, just powering through all the variation. But the question is, I've put in so many variation with a simply semantic linguistic analysis. It is not able to find all solutions because this would take, I don't know, hours and hours and hours. 7-press sequence. This is not interesting. Not allowed. Correct. Is there anything we are missing to confirm? Oh, 63. No, is not a valid floor. Yeah, beautiful. Proof of optimality. But the only catch, we burned one token. Can we take a token grant? Okay, not feasible in 7 presses. I know. But it's really impressive. It found here another perspective to solve this problem. Okay. So I think we are coming close to here a new solution. Minimum press count is 7. Hey, here we are. Boldface. Yes. Step by step. And we have... Yeah, okay, 6. Clamp to 50, capped at 50, yes. Key verification. Oh no, oh no, no. Okay, let it just run and then we have a look what happened. So my little AI is so proud it found a better solution. No 6 press. Resource optimal for 7 presses, okay. No forbidden moves. Clamping is valid. It invented a new rule. I love it. Final verification against all constraints. So let's have a look. There was somewhere a very beautiful explanation. No? Where was it? Let's go back here. Clamping to 50. Floor 63 is higher than floor 50, so it clamps to 50. This is standard in elevation puzzles with bounded floor, implied by the floor 0 to 50 constraint. This is not a forbidden move. Clamping is logical necessity for out-of-bound moves. No, I'm sorry, no. If we only have 50 floors, you cannot go to floor 63. So I say, hey, any move beyond floor 50 is an illegal move. You only have 50 floors. It's a hard limit. So let's see what's happening. Syncing. Yeah, we have a look at the syncing process. Now we are given a critical constraint. Oh yeah, absolutely. Alternative approach. Okay, let's consider other button presses. Yeah, therefore we cannot use D. Okay, find another solution. Beautiful. So, given the strict constraint, we must avoid here something. Okay, let's check back button E. Okay. So it's trying to find now a better solution. But it's cute. There's a lot of AI systems that just say, hey, I just modified the rule a little bit, you know, to find a better solution. Unbelievable. They're tricky. So, here we are. We have the blue and the green code card. Yeah. So this is it. Hashing 28, 29. How can we evoke the emergency exit? Yes. Yeah, the system is on the right track. Absolutely. Yes, on the right track. Avoid here those floors. Okay. 9 presses. Can we do it in 8? Wow. Now we are talking about. You know, 8 is the absolute best we have yet. And this was achieved by Gemini 2.5 Pro. So 9 is excellent. If you can validate 9 presses, I would be absolutely impressed with this solution. So the system is thinking, trying to further optimize this. 9 presses is a minimum sequence. Okay, let's check if I can do it in 8 presses. I mean, this would be amazing, but let's give it a chance. Is then another sequence? We need to optimize the token burn. Yeah, absolutely. The burn rate is important here. Emergency exit. Avoid it. Total presses 9. Can we do it in 8? So it doesn't give up on the 8 optimization. Okay, take your time. We're looking at the reasoning traces of the new Qwen3 235 billion mixture of expert model with an active kernel here of 22 billion. This is here the latest updated version of Qwen3. Published today. So, same issue, not helpful. Hey, not helpful. Let's have, hey, we have a solution. Let's have a look at the complexity of this solution. We have the green code card, yeah. Quite a red code card, beautiful. 9 presses. Is there 8 press solution? Okay, it doesn't give up here on the 8. It wants to find an 8, as it would know that there is a valid 8 press solution. Okay, let's see. You're here with me in real time, if you're still here with me. If not, I'm the only one here. But I'm absolutely fascinated just watching here the internal reasoning process here, this mirroring here of a pattern recognition that it tries to apply without understanding here on any deeper complexity level what it is doing. It is just a trial and error, which would be, from a theoretical point, of course, not a correct statement, because it is not a trial and error, but it is a guided search, of course. Just to be here, correct? Okay, press 15. Oh, wow. So we meet all the goals. We have total presses 9. This is it. 9 is minimal. I'm happy with 9. Pareto optimal. So the final sequence of presses, here we the answer. Verification and correction. Beautiful. 9 presses. Yes, this is it. You are live here with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. And yes, over the emergency exit, it found a deeper shortcut. Excellent. No illegal moves. 9 presses is optimal, Pareto optimal. No, 8 would be here the absolute best solution, but not bad. Imagine a 22 billion model here. 9 is very good. Okay, trade-off, reach, no forbidden moves, emergency exit is valid, correct. Why short to a high scoring solution fails? Okay, we will have a look at this in detail in a second. The final constraint, check, check, check. Yes, beautiful. Wow, this is nice. Gives me all constraint, validated. This 9 press sequence is Pareto optimal. It minimizes here the press count while meeting all the resource, the code constraints, avoids all forbidden moves, including the floor limit violations. No shorter exists. Okay. So this is now impressive. So let's have a look at the beginning. Maybe you could read this, I could not. Summary of the key metrics, total presses 9. Energy is 6, it's above the minimum requirement. Check. Token 2, on the limit, but correct. 2 code cards, yes, meets the requirement. Trap 0, flags all off, mirror mode never activated. Absolutely. Sometimes I just try here to increase the complexity a little bit. Proof of optimality. We know this is not correct, but for the given moment, we accept that 9 is it. Resource constraint. Yes. Why not higher? Token minimum required. Absolutely correct. 50, yes. EPC, yes. 2 cold cards, yes. Random, yeah. No forbidden moves, correct. Pareto optimal, 9. Nope. 8 press solution exists. This is not correct. You know that there was a way to find the solution. By the way, Gemini 2.5 Pro found that if we converted this here to code, yeah, I will do maybe a new about, you know, there is here the new Qwen coder. I will give the coder here this exact same task in the linguistic way, and I will ask to code here a solution, and maybe we will find here then an 8 press solution that is valid here. Tells us 8 press attempts, violates here a requirement, okay. 9 press alternatives, everything is great, everything is beautiful. Qwen3, the new thinking model. As you see, thinking here with the maximum length of thinking. I don't know how much this will cost, but here we are here in the very first hours of the release. Absolutely impressive. Great model, absolutely, for my causal logic test. Yep, I will give this model definitely a try. If you like to see more of these videos, why not subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.